Alright guys, got my Ls1 harness here that I'm going to be stripping down and redoing. Change these plugs over from the Ls1 plugs to the Ls3 plugs. Going to fix up my map sensor, coolant temp sensor as well, which I got to fix up. But yeah, so first thing is strip all the tape and shit off it, and yeah. Alright, so I got the first bit of the harness stripped down. As I'm getting to all these bits that branch off, I'll be taping it and making sure that I know where everything is going to be coming out and sitting on the engine. So yeah, we'll get the rest of it knocked out, and yeah, we'll get back to you. Alright, so wiring harnesses all stripped back. So now I'm going to go through and fix a few broken wires, check all the plugs in that. Yeah, it's doing pretty good. I'm going to fix up a few of these little things here. Broken wire there for the map sensor. So I'll be running this harness in my Ls3 converted partol. So these are the wires that usually come off the body loom. So I've chopped out a lot of it that you don't need. So there's two 12-volt constant powers, a ignition switched wire, which actually needs to be on when the key's cranking as well. High speed fan, which I'm not using. Fuel pump trigger. And then on the engine side, you've got the bank 2 ignition. So that'll be power for your coils and injectors. Bank 1 coils and injectors again. And then 12-volt ignition for like your coolant temp sensor and crank sensor and that sort of stuff. But yeah, so this over here is for OBD2. So I've also got another thing in here too. So the yellow wire is for the OBD serial data cable. The brown wire is tacho signal, and I'll have to check what this one is. Can't remember what that one is. So this purple wire is actually the speedo input, but I'm not using that in the partol as the speedo works off the gearbox. And I'm retaining the factory 5-speed partol box. Got my fuse box over here that I've made up. It's a bit dodgy, but it works. Just got the battery positive, battery negative, and then all the wires that come out and go into the wiring for the ECU. When I first did the conversion, I was dumb and managed to put all these wires red, so that makes it very confusing for when you're trying to diagnose issues and stuff like that. So I'll be changing all that out, make sure that that's all easier. But yeah, should be pretty mint. So the next step is to fix all these wires, order some of the parts and new plugs and stuff like that. These ones are a bit cooked. Yeah, so that'll be it for this episode, but yeah, sing us a like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.